If you have a 2011, 2012, or 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 3.6-liter engine, your vehicle can be prone to PCM failure. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, is responsible for controlling both the engine and the transmission. Because it's such an essential part of your vehicle, when it fails, it can cause a major problem for your vehicle. In this video, we're going to walk you through the common symptoms of a failed PCM and show how we can help you get back up and running quickly. The most common symptoms of a failed Grand Cherokee PCM include coil driver failure, coil driver misfire, or the alternator not charging the battery, often accompanied by code P0622. If your vehicle is running rough, be sure to scan the diagnostic trouble codes and confirm that the codes you have relate to these symptoms. Replacement PCMs can be very expensive. Because of this, we offer an affordable repair service to remanufacture the module, completely restoring and upgrading it to function better than new with a fast, one business day turnaround time. We also preserve your original programming, unlike replacement PCMs, which usually require a trip to the dealership and additional programming costs. It's important to note that if the PCM has been damaged by a failed ignition coil, then all 6 coils must be changed at the same time as the PCM. Our process is simple. You just need to purchase the repair service on our website, and you'll receive an email with instructions for how to ship your module to us. Once we receive it, we will fully rebuild and test it within one business day and ship it back to you. When you receive your PCM, it will be ready to install. Simply plug it back in and you're all set. If you're ready to restore your vehicle's functionality, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049 and we'll be happy to help.